Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's video ay tungkol kung sino ang Dabbercast na update tungkol sa kanilang for this week. For our subscribers to our YouTube channel, gusto mag-like, share, copy sa views at abutin ng 500. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog for today, 347, episode 347 na title, Dabbercast Updates. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, today we have a trending topics, but in the Dabbercats world. Let's start with last Thursday, June 26, at tingin na ng 28 KBB Golden Double Points. Ang mga Dabbercats or legit Dabbercats sa TV5 Christmas ID 2024 last year, hatid saya ang Paskong Kapatid. Okay, hatid saya ang Paskong Kapatid. Nanalo ng Best TV Station Promotional Material sa KBP Golden Double Points. Sama pong mga Dabbercats with Piola Pascual and all TV5 shows sa lang hatid saya ID. Congrats to all the winners. And also, one for Best Station TV Station ng TV5! Yay! TV Station Metro Manila. Alongside the winners are Cedric Juan, Carmi Martin, Corina Sanchez, and Frontline BTPS. Congratulations sa TV5. And for TV5's Christmas ID last year, that the digit number got in the scenes. And congratulations to the winners. Now, the second Dabbercats updates that yesterday ay Pride Month or Pride Day, or Happy Pride na lang. That the song by Icy Guerra out na on all digital platforms worldwide under Fire and Ice Music and distributed by Star Music, entitled Shelter of the Broken, at dedicated pala sa pass away last Friday ang papanaw ng nanay ni Icy Guerra na si Karim Sekina. Wala pang alas kung anong cause of death. Last Friday, may na rest in peace. That song is all about the shelter for inspired song. The pop ballad or indie pop ballad song. It reminds of the hope and healing for love and joyful about Icy Guerra's during the pandemic. And the song is written by Icy Guerra and Trisha Denise, producer by Icy Guerra, para si Jonathan Manara, kasali yun, and backup vocals by Moira Denato. Out now on all digital platforms. Shelter of the Broken is lead singer from the new We Ice out now and stream now. Na masaya tayo ulit! Masaya tayo! And now, yesterday sa ating Box Office Entertainment Awards kagabi, dahil sa ating pelikula The Kingdom and won the Film Actors of the Year na sina Bossing Big Soto and Piola Pascual bilang Lakam Makisi and Sulu. Congratulations to the whole The Kingdom cast. Dabbercats, Bossing Big Soto, congratulations, and all the ABT, NZ, and MQuest family for warmest congratulations sa cast members ng The Kingdom and MMFF's entries sa kakatapos na ng Box Office Entertainment 1. Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, thank you so much. Nobody, more trophies to come to hold the Dabbercats, all the Dabbercats. We love you and congratulations to the Eid Bulaga to celebrate next month's 46th anniversary. Happy anniversary and advance! Yan ang ating Dabbercats update. Hope to see you next time sa ating Gabby's Vlog. Bye! God bless!